What's up, guys? Today we're making this oven roasted mahi, so let's get to it. So we're going to start by cutting up our shallots, and we're going to preheat our oven to 425, and then we're going to dice up our prosciutto and then make our mixture. So we're going to take our shallots and our prosciutto, put in our garlic, our butter. So you're just going to soften your butter in the microwave, or you can just leave it out so it gets soft. And then Dijon mustard, and we're going to mix all of that up until it's like completely distributed with the butter. So it'll become like a paste, just like this. And after all of that is mixed together, we're literally just going to set that to the side and take out our mahi fillets and just season both sides with salt and pepper, and then put them on a skillet with some oil over medium-high heat. And we're going to cook them on each side for 3 minutes. And you don't want to go over 3 minutes because they are going to be roasting in the oven and we don't want them to dry out. So after 3 minutes, we're just going to flip them and then cook again for 3 minutes. How many times can I say 3 minutes in like 15 seconds? A lot. And then after that's done, we're going to put them on a baking sheet with foil and then spread our butter mixture evenly over the top of all 4 of them and put that in the oven for 8 minutes. You don't want to go over 8 minutes. You don't want to go under 8 minutes. It was perfect. They were so juicy and delicious. Like, this was the perfect amount. So then we're just going to plate them up with a slice of lemon. Squeeze that on top and enjoy. If you guys like this video, like, rate, subscribe, but bon appetit, y'all.